Hey traders from around the world, this is Jerremy Alexander Newsome with Real Life Trading, and it is indeed Monday, which is August the 10th already. Wow, hope you had an amazing weekend. I got a lot of things done, a lot of sports this weekend, and had the Tomato Festival in Nashville. It was the 12th annual Tomato Festival, and Ashley's brother was in town. Nathan had a good time hanging out with him. It was a great weekend overall, and yeah, the weather here was just absolutely fantastic in Nashville. Hope it was good your way. Let's check out some of the markets. And the markets up again. Shocking, right? I don't think so. So anyway, the 7th, which was the last update we mentioned, if the Dow Jones ETF, which is the DIA, forms a morning star, could bounce off support again, and I'll likely get into a spread. So that's kind of the analysis, right? I mean, if you can see the most recent quote-unquote bearish breakouts, the bearish lows. So here you go. Here's the first one. Here's the second one. Here's the third one, the fourth one, the fifth one, the sixth one, the seventh one, the eighth one, the ninth one, 10th, 12th. And you can see every time we make those lower lows with those candles, the bearish traders have already gotten into the trades and they're exiting by buying to cover. So we've been very, very cautious with any of our bearish entries, just waiting and being a little bit more bullish than bearish overall. And I think that this is a pretty decent sized Morningstar reversal. So I'll be keeping a close eye on tomorrow. We might get a day or two of a pullback, but again, I'm just bullish to non-directional. So I'm not saying that this is the most impeccable time to buy, but here is our last spread that we did the analysis on July 7th, 2015. That expired profitable. So let's go in and look at the next spread on the DIA and see if it could be August or late August in regards to what type of spread we can get ourselves into. So let's go ahead, scroll down, and let's look at regular August and just see if there's anything down there for 172, 171. Nope, no premium down there. So let's go to all the way to the end of August just to check. We might get some premium down here. 172, 171. We're looking at about 10 cents, which isn't bad. 10 cents, you might could get a little bit more, but 172 is right here. I'd prefer to get under 171.50 or maybe even under these wicks. So let me wait till tomorrow, maybe the next day again, just to see if we do pull back at all or get into a spread, or maybe you're considering a longer term spread like an August 170, 168. I said August, I meant September. That one could also play out as well. So let me just keep an eye on this for a day or two. But anyway, the Dow Jones, the Dow, got ourselves a little bit of a Morningstar reversal. So all the indices is kind of the similar. Incense black candle yesterday, today gapped up into a white candle, and we're still trading bullish to non-directional on the SPY. Here's the IWM, trading bullish to non-directional on the IWM, with again a little bit of a possible Morningstar reversal pattern. So if we do a higher high and a higher low tomorrow, I'd be a little bit more bullish than bearish. And then here is the QQQs as well. So overall, not a lot changing at this exact moment in time. Let's check out the big news of the day, which is Apple. I think this is relatively big news. So I am and do have the analysis for a 122, 123 bear call spread expiring in August. Now, that particular spread is above a lot of resistance. Here's the long-term moving average. So it's above the 200 simple moving average. It's above the 10, the 20, here's your exponential moving average, so it's above those. And today's candle, again, is slightly bullish. The fact that we look like we might close above 119.14. Now, there's only a few minutes left in the market, actually, right now. But if Apple closes above 119.14, I'm a little bit more bullish than bearish, but my anticipation is still that we could get a rollover. So how am I going to be bullish, and when am I going to be bullish on Apple? Well, if we close above it today, I'm already going to be a little bit more bullish. I'll be back to just pretty close to neutral, and then I'll anticipate this, and then if we get a gap or some type of bounce out of there, that's when I'll be back to possibly being a little bit more bullish than bearish on Apple, because right now I'm a little bit more bearish than bullish on Apple. So I'll be watching it, keeping a close eye on it, seeing what it does. Tesla not doing too terribly much today. Cute little white candle hanging out the low. The low of Thursday was 236.12, so that's what's providing that little short-term support on Tesla. Strong bearish gap down, and just kind of waiting for some moves to happen overall. Let's check out a few others. Let's go look at Netflix. Netflix, this is a bullish swing trade that we got triggered into. Oh, what day is this? The 30th of July. Triggered in, stop was below there. And target one was 120.43. So we've hit that. I think I can take that off for the moment. The stop for the rest of our positions break even. And I think this is some type of flag pattern on Netflix. Ultimate target, believe it or not, 141.24. I would love for Netflix to actually trade down to the 50 and then bounce. We haven't hit the 50 really since April of last year, before earnings has happened. Don't know if we'll get there again, but if we do hit the 50 and bounce, I think that'd be a great buying opportunity on Netflix. Very similar to Starbucks, ticker symbol SBUX. I'm kind of in the same zone, if you will, in Starbucks. We have not hit the 50 exponential in a very, very long time. And by very long time, I do mean January of 2015 is the last time we hit the 50 exponential moving average. So if you're looking to trade Starbucks, it's very, very high right now. A little bit of a pullback to the 50 and then some type of bounce. And my overall analysis would be just a little bit more bullish than bearish overall. So some interesting gaps today, ladies and gentlemen. It's going to be fun seeing how these play out. JD.com has been the only profitable day trade of today. Got stopped out on Dean Foods and got stopped out on Sprouts Farmers Market. So to our loss right now as we stand, it's 3:23 Eastern. So we got a few more minutes left on JD.com. I don't think we reach our 29.41 target. In fact, if we get stopped out at 29.95, we'll lock in a little bit of profit overall in the day, but still down about an R and some change, maybe like 1.3 R down for the day, which, guys, it's absolutely okay, right? Keep your losses as small as possible. Keep your wins as big as possible. So myself, I'll be doing the morning day trading room today. Well, I already did today, Wednesday and Friday. And speaking of Wednesday, make sure to check your inbox. I sent you an email earlier today. I'll be doing the Festival of Traders, having the opportunity and the privilege to be there again. The Festival of Traders at 4 Eastern Standard Time from 4 to 4:30 this Wednesday. And I'll be discussing and talking a little bit about divergences. So make sure to check that email I sent out earlier today. Click that link, register, sign up, and I will see you there. Traders from around the world, thanks so much for your support. I appreciate it. Hope you had a great weekend. I'll see you Wednesday in the next stock review. And until then, remember, love life, live life, and trade it. See ya.